How to invite friends to like your Facebook page. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can invite your friends so that they can like your Facebook page. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to invite friends to like your Facebook page, first of all you have to open your Facebook app, and here you have to click on your profile picture on the top right corner and just scroll down, and here you can see more option. Click on it and here click on pages, and from here you have to select the page that you want to share to friends that you to like your page. For example, I want to select this page, and here you can see three dots. Click on it, and here you can see invite friends option. Click on it, and from here you can select your friends that you want to invite to like your page. For example, I select this person, and so on, and after that you have to click on send invites, and these friends would be invited successfully to like your Facebook page. So guys, in this way you can easily invite your friends to like your Facebook page. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.